Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy A20e. So first, open the quick settings and open the Wi-Fi settings. Now disable the Wi-Fi, wait a couple of seconds and enable it once again. Click the gear next to your Wi-Fi and forget the network. Now click on it once again and type in the password, connect. If it's still not working for you, then try to restart the router and your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.